where to find serial number of your Canon camera. This applies both to your EOS camera and your Ixus camera and PowerShot. So let's start with the EOS camera. As you can see here on the photo, you can go to the bottom of your camera, and there it should be printed a label with your serial number. It's printed in black, gray or white. And then we can go to the next photo, and as you can see, you can have a look behind the LCD screen, and there you should also find your serial number. And the last option is, if you have your case or box your camera came in, there should be a serial number on a white sticker printed on the back. And on PowerShot and the Ixus camera, it is basically the same, but it looks a little bit different. And as you can see on the photos here, you should find it behind the LCD screen and on the bottom of the camera, and you could also find the serial number on the back side of the box as well. So this is how you find serial number on your Canon camera. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.